Greetings everyone and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be taking a look at setting up alerts in JT Monitor. Once we're in JT Monitor, we head to the setup section and click on alerts. Now let's take a look at the alerts that we have available. First, we have the import of clockings alert. This alert will monitor the import of transactions, and if no clockings were imported in the amount of hours set, the alert will be triggered. In today's example, we will activate this alert and set the time to 5 hours. Under that, we have the restart engine, which we will tick. And then after that, we have the send email after restarting option, which we will tick as well. These two options will then restart and send an email once the alert has been triggered. Next, we have the queued items older than alert. This will monitor the queued entries for the online devices only. If entries have been in the queue for longer than the time specified, the alert will be triggered. Related to this alert, we have the JT engine restart and email after options just like before. Then we have the offline devices exceed alert. If any devices enabled in Jarrison Time are offline and the total exceeds the amount inserted, it will be triggered. Related to this alert, we have the only mail when option. This is used to send an alert if devices have been offline for an excessive amount of time, followed by the executions interruption alert. Execution interruptions are a type of entry that can be logged in the engine audit for failed processes. This option will generate an alert if the number of interruption entries exceed the set number. Next, we have the template transfer alert. This is used to send an alert for template transfer errors should the set number of errors be exceeded. Then we have the engine RAM alert. This will monitor the amount of memory that is used by the JT engine, and if the usage exceeds the specified megabytes, the alert will be triggered. And just like before, under it we have the same options to restart the JT engine and send an email, followed by the last backup alert, used to send an alert if the time since the last backup exceeds the set number of days. Next is the HDD free space alert. This will send an alert should the available space on the local hard drive fall below the set amount of gigabytes. When used, the select drive dropdown is used to specify the drive that should be monitored. Then we have the HDD usage alert, used to send an alert should the used disk space exceed the specified percentage, followed by the CPU usage alert. This is used to send an alert if the CPU usage exceeds the percentage specified. And in today's example, we will tick this option and we will be setting it to 70%. Next, we have the PC memory alert. This will send an alert when the memory usage is more than the specified percentage. Then we have the SQL memory alert that will send an alert if the total memory used by SQL is more than the inserted amount. And under that, we have the restart SQL as well as the email afterwards. Please note this restart setting should be used with caution if the SQL instance contains databases besides Jarrison Times. Next, we have the check and send option. When used, this sets the interval for checking if alert conditions have been met and an email should be sent. Lastly, we have the wait at least option. Here we insert the amount of time that should be waited before restarting the JT engine. After we have enabled the alerts, we head to the right and insert the email addresses we want the alerts to be sent to. Then note, if the JT Monitor service is running while these changes are made, it will need to be restarted. Or if it was turned off, remember to turn it back on. Once we are done, we can click on the Save Changes button and close JT Monitor. That will be all for this video. For related content, check the description below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.